Welcome to the fourth video of this playlist. Today, we will iterate and render with the map function. Currently, we have three hard-coded item components to show different content in the UI. If you have worked on JavaScript before, you may have already used the loops to iterate over an array and generate HTML elements dynamically. In this video, we will do the same. We will iterate over an array and generate a list of item components. So, at the top, let's create an array, items array. Here, add name and quantity properties. Let's add a few more. Now, let's use the map method to iterate the data. First, remove all item components and cut any one of them. Then add curly braces. Inside, add itemsArray.map. Add item parameter. Then inside, paste the item component. To get a dynamic name, add curly braces and add item.name. Likewise, for quantity, add item.quantity. Check the preview and we can see the dynamic data now. If you change the data, it will change the UI. Finally, let's apply the dynamic total number of items here. This is really quick. Here, just add itemsArray.length. Check the preview and it works. Now, if any item is removed, the total number of items are updated. Great. This is the end of the session. In the next session, we'll add a state to a component. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel to get more videos in the future. Thank you for watching and see you soon.